You dey use your picture to play. You dey use.
Baby, easy now. Do you want to injure me?
Which injury? Who will I injure?
Look at my face.
Eh?
I have killed a lot of people.
What do you mean?
This thing now, this thing cannot touch you.
How?
It can't touch you now.
You mean I'm short like this now?
It can't. Oh yeah, wait, listen. I said stand now. It will not touch you now.
No,
Okay, let's measure it now.
Okay, measure it.
Okay. Wait now, you're still dodging now. Wait.
Okay, do it.
Oh yeah, just little by little. Hey, I don't even know that you have grown.
That I've grown.
You grow overnight.
So I'm short like this.
When I know you now, you're like this now. You just
When you know me.
Yeah, now.
So since I've been looking at me and I'm short like this now, I'm like this.
I thought, yeah, you know.